Good morning all. Today is the 20th of November. It's my last trading day for me. I going on vacation, but I wanted to do a quick recap on my trading. As you can see, that's just more than traded 40 contracts today, and that's normally way more than my normal trading is, just because this past 3 days I think had been just being sideways with all those contract rollover, and I can show you the daily. So the daily looks like this. It's been just sideways inside this bar. This one is almost inside this bar, and it's just been sideways chop. I think a lot of people are probably going on vacation already, and sitting at my desk. I gotta get paid. I gotta make money every day. I think that's the reason why I had to switch strategy today. And there's no shame in scalping five ticks. 5-4 ticks. You risk 4, make 5. To me, I mean, if you're sitting at your desk, I'm not gonna sit here and not take advantage of price movement. So I know that sounds kind of corny, but I'm just trying to make money every day, and hopefully this skill that I could develop, I can use as when I turn this into a career and a full-time as a full-time day trader. So anyways, just wanted to share a recap of my trade. So if I go back to my the dome, so you can see, yeah, $740, but you got to subtract. I think I made a video on how commission would eat up your money. So let's do a quick math here. So about 40 contracts times 732, that's $292.80, and I subtract whatever that P&L for today, so brings me to $447.20, which isn't still a bad day. I mean, I think I made more than what I can actually make at work. So and just been trading since I believe about 7 o'clock Central Time this morning, and took advantage of some of the moves this morning. So my final trade, I'll bring up the chart again for my final trade, and which I held longer. So this final trade here happened to be hitting a area of supply. I had this on watch, but I got stopped out over here. I was thinking, I was also watching this area, so I got in short this area, got stopped out, and figured there might not be enough profit window. So I was hesitant to take this one, which was a big mistake, because actually, this is not a good area, but this is. And yeah, I had this marked, so I got in at 94, I think was my entry, and I was able to take advantage of this move, and this, I think that was the biggest meat of my profit, was I held on to that one just because this huge leg up, relative to all these other ones. It was a huge momentum move in price. So when you get one of these, I'm a lot more comfortable now taking the opposite side of the trade and holding on to it for a while. But right now it's about 9 o'clock my time, so that's the reason why I need to get out and go to work. So anyhow, hope that helps. If you have any questions, just send me an email. There's a couple of guys already that sent me some email, and hopefully I'm doing you some service by sharing some of my thoughts and how I trade, and I'm continuing on trying to develop my own skill. Like I said, trying to find a mentor to do that. You know, you also need to find a mentor that fits your, you know, comfortability, I guess. You know, when it's time to buy and sell button, you know, I mean, you got to find somebody who has the same mentality, skill set as you have, or comfort zone at least. So, and as you develop, you know, your skill, your strategy, you know, I think this is where the nervousness would go away. I remember, you know, the first day I traded, I mean, my blood pressure was like literally skyrocketing, just because I was so nervous. But you know, at the same time, I didn't know what I was doing. So now that I'm continually, or I mean, you know, day in, day out, I'm trying to, you know, still trying to learn from what the market is teaching me, and it has helped out. You know, I mean, a big portion of it, I think the really secret sauce, there's no magic indicator or code that can teach you this, but you know, the real secret sauce to trading is, you know, your psychology and money management. I mean, there's not a whole lot out there that would teach you that, but if you can nail that one, I think is where your success is, and you know, profits, all that would take care of itself. So anyhow, you guys have a great holiday. I won't be trading until maybe, I guess, the beginning of December. So it's probably not a good idea anyway, because of the market. You know, it's not really giving all that much. You know, it's not very clean today, and you know, yesterday started out just like this. So I figured, you know, I was gonna wash, rinse, repeat type process here, and I followed exactly what you know, what the market is giving me. So and with proper money management, you know, I came out ahead today. So anyhow, enough talking. You guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next video.